Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will show you how to get 3 to 5 day shipping from AliExpress. So if you're using drop shipping or if you're using this for your e-commerce business, then this is basically how to do it. So this will work extremely well for people that are in the USA, because if you go here and if you search for a product, let's say a product is maybe a mobile case for iPhone 13. Let's say we want this, right? What we can do is, as you can see, it does not show anything, but what you can do basically is you can do it like this, right? Basically you can find products that provide 4 to 7 day shipping from US suppliers. And if you're in the US or if you're selling to the US audience, then this will be extremely well, and it will basically give you that 3 to 5 day shipping. So the first step is to go to AliExpress and obviously type in the name of what you're looking for, right? A product that you're looking for. And then what you want to do is you want to basically go ship from and then United States. From there, you can basically go and click on orders, and you can click on product. And as you can see, the unique toothbrush here costs $1.56 per toothbrush plus $4 for 4 to 7 day shipping from the US. So together it's $5, and you can sell it for probably $15 or something like that. This is basically how you can go and how you can find US suppliers. So this is only for US. You can also go and type in 3-day delivery, and you can go here and see which basically products are delivered in 3 to 5 days, or at least in 3+ days, right? So you can basically see everything right here. But this is how you can go and how you can find the AliExpress 3 to 5 day delivery and how you can set that up. Unfortunately, there are no other ways for other countries. I'm not sure, but if you're using AliExpress as your carrier and courier, then you will need to go and select your country, which is going to be the country that you're in, if they have shipping for that country. If not, then this will only work in US territory and countries within US. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and we'll see you in the next video.